Hi friends, I'm Nikita H. Welcome to Go to Create channel. Dear friends, before getting into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do watch this video till the end, and if you liked it, please do like it and share it with your friends. It means a lot to me. If you have any comments or want to inform me something, please do comment down below in the box. Let's go for it. In this video, we're going to create a new project and I'm going to explain the project given by Flutter, and also we're going to run it on the emulator. So for creating a project, I'm writing Flutter create and the name of the project. I'm naming it as Licky. Let's go to the folders and I open the path already, and there we go, Licky is there. So let's come to VS Code and then say open folder and then go on to Licky, and there you go, the example code given by Flutter. The first thing they said is they're going to import the package flutter material.dart. The thing they said over here is we are going to import the material. The thing they said over here is they're going to import a package which is flutter material.dart, which is in Flutter and in material.dart. And over here the void main, this is must in Flutter. And then they're saying run the app, that's all. They're just going to run the whole app rather than calling everything. So and next we have class myApp extends stateless widget. If you haven't seen my last video, please go through it. It's about the stateless widget and stateful widgets and explanation of widgets. So it's saying class myApp extends stateless widget. Let's go through it. It's saying widget build context. So this is needed in a stateless widget. Let's see why. It returns a single thing, the first thing. So it is returning the material app. And then the title of the page is going to be the Flutter demo. Let's just change it and check. I'm just going to make it as Flutter. And the theme is theme data. The primary swatch, and we are setting the colors of heading as blue color and the density as adaptive platform density, which means it gets adapted to all of the phones or mobiles or tabs or laptops, everything. And the home page, saying the title as Flutter demo homepage. Let's change it up to just Flutter. Yeah. And then it's ending the all stateless widget. Now let's come to the stateful widget. Over here it's saying the key, and so it's a variable. Final is saying that the string title is going to be final. It's not going to change anymore. And string title, in the sense it's a variable. In my app create state my page state. So over here, this thing I was saying in my last video, class my page state extends state my home. So over here we are setting the state. Int counter, we are initializing a variable. And over here you got that we are setting the state. Over here we are saying the state is this, and here we are setting the state. And the counter plus plus. We are increasing the counter variable, that's all over here. But we need two at overrides in a stateful widget. Return the scaffold app bar. The title is widget.title, whatever is the title. And the body is center. The child column. If we want, we can just create a child, but we'll not even have the center over here. So the main axis alignment is center. The text is you have pushed the button these many times. So let's just run it and I'll show you what all happens. Let's go to Android Studio and go to configure, go to ADB manager. I'm running the emulator and there we go, it's there. Let's save this file and then let's go to run and then says run without debugging. If you want, you can just debug and run it. I'm gonna say Flutter run. Let's open the phone and there we go. So this one what I said, Let's come to the code. Let's scroll a bit down. The title over here is Flutter. You saw that? The title is Flutter and the Flutter. The homepage title, again we wrote it. So over here we are initializing a variable called counter, is which I'm setting it to 0 at the starting. So when the increment counter, which means when we press this button, counter plus 1. You saw that it sets 1. The widget title, which means that only. You have pushed the button these many times. You saw the text, this is also a widget. Great, so now we know what is a stateful widget and stateless widget, and also we know how to use it.
Thank you, friends. Bye bye.